Hey everybody, it's Dr. Matt here with Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We got Cameron in the office today. He's a police officer and he's out there keeping the peace for us, so I do the best I can to make sure that he's ready to do his job. So Cameron's been coming to us for a while now and he really likes the treatments that we give, right Cameron?
Yep.
Yeah, he does. So we'll go ahead and get started. You can go face down for me. Okay. Right there. Okay. So one of the things that makes it different at this office compared to a lot of offices is that we do manual adjustments. So in order to do that, I got to figure out wherever he's misaligned at. So right now I'm just checking his back to feel wherever he's restricted at. And I do this on every visit. So some of you guys might think it's unspecific what I do, and that I do the same thing to everybody, but that's just not the case. Is it, Cameron? So, and then a lot of times I use this just to loosen them up a little bit. So I learned all this stuff at Sherman College. It's a pretty good school, I would say, if you are interested in becoming a chiropractor. Definitely look into Sherman because they'll teach you how to adjust pretty much every joint in the body. And they'll also kind of let you know how and when to adjust it. So I'm going to do an adjustment right here. Deep breath in, all the way out. Yep. Good. Good. One more here. All the way out. Good. I'll just work up the lumbar spine here. Put a little P to A in here. Now this adjustment here is for the cervical spine, cervical thoracic junction right here. So just relax, yep, good. Over here, good. Alright, Cameron, good, face me on this side. Cameron's had a lot of low back issues in the past. He played baseball in college and he was always swinging that bat so hard that he eventually swung his back out. And so he comes in here and we keep him tuned up. Yep. Good. Okay. Other side. Okay, face up. Here. So I adjust all the joints in the body, just about, wherever there's a restriction at. So when you leave, you'll definitely know you've been adjusted. You can tell, you don't walk out of here feeling the same way you did when you walked in. I take pride in that. Alright. So now I'm over here. Do the decompression adjustment. So I think I'm one of the only offices around, unless you're going to fly down to Texas, that does this adjustment. Slide down a little bit. Now it's a little bit different than the Houston chiropractor, of course. He does his own thing and it's trademark. But I designed this table out of my own head, and it does work pretty good. Okay, Cameron's had that done a few times, so his reaction's not too profound. When I think the first time, it took his breath away. So with a decompression adjustment like that, that's really going to help take the pressure off of your nerves. And it's going to allow your body to function the way that it's supposed to. Good. All right, now I've got a new one for you, Cameron. So you're going to stay like this here, in front of that window. Yep, link your fingers. There you go, perfect. Okay, now just walk back. Or keep your feet still. I'm sorry, lean back. There you go. Now pinch your elbows together. Good. Feel that in there? Good. Awesome. All right, Cameron. So if you had to tell everybody what you think about the care here and why you come and what makes it worth it, even though that I don't take insurance, what would you say?
I would say it's great. You know, I went to a place that was similar to this a long time ago, and it was almost, it's like this is the old fashioned, you know, people, this is the hard way to get it done, but it's the best way to me. And every time I come out, I feel great after I leave here. So
Thanks, Cameron.
thank you.
Yep. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.